Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. In this video, we take you through how to download your documents within SigniFlow. Downloading a document is the same no matter which basket you are in within the system and may also be available through the document view. Downloading a document can be useful for long-term storage purposes or for legal review. Now, let's get started with downloading a document within a basket. Step 1. Open the basket that holds the document you'd like to download. Mine will be the completed basket. Step 2. You can download your document by clicking on the download icon in the corresponding row within the table. Within the document view, you may be able to download the document by clicking on the download button in the top tool panel. Or alternatively, if you are on a smaller screen, it will be inside of the menu on the top right of your screen. Please note that some businesses may opt to prevent downloading of documents across their business. If you need a document, and this is the case, please contact the document originator and ask if it is possible to disable this feature. And that is how you download your document in SigniFlow. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.